Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dunda's Life and you guys are flippin' awesome. I just reached 1,500 subscribers and thank you. When I started this channel, I was completely introverted and terrified about doing anything on camera. In fact, I'm still that way. So the fact that 1,500 of you decided to hit the subscribe button on my channel just like completely blows my mind, like totally. To show my appreciation for your guys' support for me, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video and I can't wait to do it. I'm heading out to a barbecue, so I wanted to get this part filmed, and then I have an unboxing to do just to show you a couple of Halloween paintings I got from Amazon, budget friendly. So hang tight, stick around. I'm gonna do the unboxing and then I will give you all the details on how you can win the giveaway and what the prize is. So let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Barbecue's done. I've already taken this one out of the package. They came packaged in a way that I have not ever had it before. I think I have seen a couple on YouTube do unboxings of these flat pack, and I wanted to make sure that the painting was okay, and I wasn't sure if it was going to be. And actually, you know what? I don't hate it coming that way. There's just the one crease along right here, and it's not even a hard crease. When they come rolled, a lot of times they'll have many creases across the painting. So I think I'm okay with this. But anyways, so this is from Amazon. This painting was $16.99 Canadian. I will put the link in my description if you want to go check it out for yourself, and I will try to find the US link also. So cute picture, just something fun for Halloween. It's got the cute little pumpkin, the scraggly cat, and the ghost. I just thought it was cute when I saw it. Comes with a basic kit. You've got a squishy, you've got a few bags, your 2 plates of wax, pink pen, green boat, and it does come with metal tweezers, and it comes with a straightener. I've never seen a kit that came with the straightener and not also multi-placers, but hey, it came with the straightener. So I'm actually going to show you the drill field first. I'm going to bring you down a little bit, and hopefully I'm going to see if I can turn away some of this glare a little bit. The drill field is really, really clear. I hope you guys have got a focus. I'm not sure if it'll focus this close, but it's super, super clear. There's not going to be any issues with any colors. I was looking at the legend. It looks like it's all numbers and letters, so there's no crazy symbols that are going to be hard to see. Stick factor, let's check that out. Seems really good. And yeah, so like I said, I am not hating the fact that it came flat. And both the paintings that came that way. So I don't know if it's a new way that they're packaging, but it so far seems okay. Let's just take a look at these drills. I'm not going to go through the numbers. There's no DMC on the packages, and it takes me too long to look at the legend. But just as you can imagine, so there's a fair amount of black. Everything else is just sort of a fairly small amount. But lots of oranges, lots of tans, a little bit of green, kind of some reds. You know, the colors that you would expect for fall, getting in more into those neutral tones. And the drills themselves, I'm looking at them as I'm going by, and they actually seem pretty good. I'm not seeing a whole bunch of junk. Sometimes it hides, but for the most part, the drills actually look quite okay. Just show you up close really quick. They seem sparkly, they seem, like I said, not to have a lot of junk. So, and then there was these 3 last ones. So again, just more neutral tones. And they all look good too. Excellent. And then I got one more. Guys, this has 5 colors on it only. I don't think I've ever seen a diamond painting with only 5 colors if it wasn't like a special drill. And even then, I don't think I've ever seen one with only 5. So this one is just, it's Hocus Pocus, Time Witches, and literally black, white, yellow, orange, and that's it. Oh, and a blue, kind of. Is that a blue? Yeah, that looks like a blue. I'm not going to open these drills because, like I said, there's only a few of them, but you get in the kit, you get baggies, the pen. There is a multi-placer on that end. It looks like a 3-placer. 1 plate of wax in your green boat. And then these drills. So just tons and tons and tons of black. And then as you can see, there's yellow, orange. Oh, and this looks like more like a purple. Okay, that purple and a white. Only 1 package of white. I'm surprised. It seems, well, I guess there's not that much. 2 packs of yellow. Only 1 package of the purple. And then, like I said, tons. And that's all black there. And that's not even all of it. It goes into the second row too. So I don't think I need to pull those out. Just really quickly looking, I would say these drills also look like they're in decent shape. They do look nice and sparkly. Let's look at these. Maybe on a lighter color we can see a bit better. Doesn't really look like there's a whole lot of junk in these ones either. I think a lot of these bargain companies are getting a little better at making their drills and their product. But, okay, and then just stick. You guys, like, honestly, there's going not to be, like, I don't even have to go into the drill field with this with you guys because there literally is so few colors that it is not going to be difficult to do this one at all. The only thing I would worry about is stick, and wow, actually that surface, look at that surface, it's like glass, but the stick seems pretty good on that too. We are talking, both of these are going to be like that harder canvas. It's not horrible though. Like, I've seen more plasticky kind of feeling ones than this. This is, it's stiff, but it's okay. And again, there's just that one line down the center that I think will flatten out pretty good. I'm really not minding this whole folding it in half thing. So, you guys, I have a couple of diamond paintings to do for the Halloween season. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to show you really quick. I also picked up on more of these. I do believe these containers are a little bit smaller than in the 60 case that I have, but I thought that would be good for smaller diamond paintings. And this one I'll also link below. The price on this was $14.99 Canadian. I will try and find links to something like this on the US site as well, but I really like this. I like the ability to I'm going to just number these 1 to 30 and do them on my bargain paintings that maybe go by number and less by DMC. It came with the labels. I don't mind these being smaller because honestly, this little pocket here allows you to put any extra drills you have, any packets that you weren't able to fit into here. So I'm just like totally okay with it. And this one doesn't have a handle, but it does have a canvas handle. Like it doesn't have like my bigger one. And actually my other smaller one of this too has an actual handle built in. But I'm fine with this because, I mean, honestly, I don't need to have a handle on it. Or a big handle on it. So I'll link that below too. The Hocus Pocus picture was $9.99 Canadian. I will put links. Links will all be in the description. Those are affiliate links. I will just let you know. So if you do happen to purchase anything, I will receive a small commission, but it does not change the prices that you pay. And I just so you know that. Okay, you guys, so a little bit of a mini haul from Amazon, and now we're gonna get to the good part, the giveaway. I am so excited to do this for you guys. I am going to do and I went back and forth. I was gonna do product and then ended up deciding that I'm gonna do a gift card from either Diamond Art Club or Amazon. You guys get to choose either one in the amount of $50. And the reason why I picked that instead of sending product is because I wanted this contest or this giveaway to be open to everybody anywhere in the world. Because I mean, I think just about everybody in the world can at least have Amazon. So some people might want to use it towards diamond painting, and then other people might be, maybe you're looking for more accessories for your diamond painting. So I wanted to give you that option, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, here's what you have to do. Number 1, subscribe to the channel, be a subscriber, and then number 2, it's really easy, I'm not really asking too much here, but I would love to hear what your favorite thing about fall is. And I just need you to use the word fall in the comment down below. That way the random picker will pick up your comment. So technically you could say, I hope Dawn falls on her face, and you would still qualify for the giveaway. The winner will be announced 1 week following whatever day this goes up. So this will probably go up, it'll either go up on Tuesday or Wednesday. So what I'll do is do a giveaway video on the Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. If you guys have any questions, list them in the comments down below. I think I made this as easy peasy as I could. So just a comment down below and be a subscriber to the channel. And if you are feeling extra nice, you can come over to Instagram, and I will leave it up on the screen over here. It's just Dawn Does Life on Instagram, and come say hi to me, and that way we can follow each other and see what we're doing with diamond painting. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I think you guys are so awesome. So you guys take care whenever you're watching this, wherever you're watching this. Just have a great day, hug somebody you love, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. I'm gonna hug you. That's a virtual hug, you guys. Okay, bye.